Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back at the shop here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and we're just doing some maintenance on the GT500, going over everything. We just got it back from the track and swapped out the wheels, and had a couple issues. Didn't get the times we wanted, but we had a good day. Good first run out, and we're gonna show you what's up. So let's have it. So we got the GT500 on the lift. We got the drag wheels off. We put the other wheels off on the factory wheels. We didn't get the time we want, but we got a pretty decent time for the first time out. So this is our slip. We got a best 10 flat. We're moving on the top end. So that's what we're running in a quarter right now. We couldn't get traction. Traction was an issue. And ever since we modified the GT500 with the Whipple, it's only been running on E85. So to make it more driver friendly, we're gonna up the pulley. We're gonna take the 3.0 off and put the factory one on that came with the Whipple. I think it's a 3.8. Like I said, we're just going over everything. I got the catch can disconnected. So can't really see it, but there's some oil in there. We're gonna drain this out and check it. We also had some stalling issues after we left the track. I don't know if just some of the sensors are dirty. We're gonna take out some of the sensors again and clean them off and go over everything. Maybe even check the spark plugs. But I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going down in the shop with the shop cars. So this is where we were at racing, test and tune night, Keystone Raceway, our local track. Best of 10 flat at 154. Spinning. We had spin. It was spinning. Couldn't get traction. And this is the pulley that came with the Whipple. 3.8. And I think this is the belt that we're gonna use. I think that's what came with the Whipple kit. And then, as you know, the Street Sleeper is back up and at it. So the GT500 should be as fast as it, if not faster. This runs at 9.2, best of 9.2 at 150 and a quarter. And this is the best at 10 flat at 154. So they're both moving. And we'll have them in the next video because after we broke down, we got towed and they messed the K-member up. So I showed in previous videos. We got the new BMR one right there. The new starter heat shield. And we got the Fox just chilling in here. Fox just chilling. And then this is some of the other GT500 parts we have. Some are going on here, some are going to stay in the box. So these are the drag wheels. We couldn't get the front yet, but we got the weld bead locks. I think they're .305 45 18s. First time out, brand new tires. We did some good burnouts. I don't know if that was the issue or just overpowering the track. So we're going over to GT500. It took a rough beating the first run. I don't know if it has some clunking in the rear end now. But it seems like it has slight play too in the rear. But it took a beating. And we're going to go over it and get it running on 93. We're going to put 93 in it, pulley it up. And we got the 93 tune. And everything else is going to stay the same except the pulley and belt. So we're about to start changing that here in a second. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and we'll keep you with them updates with the shop. So you know what to do. Till the next one. Peace.